Jay. Hi, Jay.
Are you making pizza dough nuggets?
Yay!
Yay!
Are you ready to play?
Are you ready to play?
Yeah!
Alright, we're going to play in the kitchen and we're going to make some pizza dough nuggets. And this is what we're going to need to make them. We're going to need pizza crust. We're going to need sugar. We are going to need flour, cinnamon, and canola oil, or any other oil that you use for cooking is acceptable. And a rolling pin.
Well, rolling pins for Jaden, right?
Rolling pins for Jay. Is a rolling pin for Jay? Alright. Are you going to roll it for me, Mighty Man?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Alright, you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready?
You ready?
Alright, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Alright. Woo! It popped.
It popped?
Yeah.
Good. It's very good.
It's gonna be very good.
It's like it's slime in here.
It's kind of slimy, huh? Okay.
Let's go throw in the counter.
Oh, wow. Alright, now spread it around. Roll the rolling pin in the flour. And now we're going to put the dough down.
Let's go. Let's go down.
Now you're going to add just a little bit of flour. See that? Okay. Now rub it in. Rub it in. It's gonna. Okay, now you're going to roll it. Oh, wow. Look at you, muscles.
This smells like pizza.
It smells like pizza, yes, because it's pizza crust.
Pizza crust is yummy.
Yeah, it is. Especially when you cook it up and put cinnamon and sugar. Or make a pizza. Okay. So I'm going to finish rolling it. We're going to start to cut it into strips.
Now it's cut it the strips.
Yes. Ready?
You ready?
Okay, I'm going to do the cutting.
Okay.
Now we're going to make them as big or small as we want them to be. They don't have to be perfectly shaped. You can make as many as you want, or you can save the rest of the dough and make them a different day. You can save up to 3 days in the refrigerator. So I'll just do one more roll, and then I'm going to save the rest for a different day. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 dough nuggets when it's all done cooking. And we'll have all that left over. So now we're going to place them on a plate so we can cook them up. Okay, and now we're going to cook them up. Okay, so now we're going to fill our small skillet with canola oil. Make sure you leave room. So I usually do it around a medium heat. Now we gotta wait for the canola oil to heat up. Okay, the oil feels pretty hot, so I'll start putting in the dough nuggets. The dough nugget is going to start rising to the surface. Just like that. Oil's still warming, so cooking kind of slow. And turn it over. You're going to keep turning it until it gets golden brown. So that looks about done. So I'm going to take it out. Stick it in a paper towel, paper plate with paper towel, and start adding some more. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. They don't cook up too fast. Okay, so now Jay's going to put a little bit of sugar in this bag.
Okay.
Add some cinnamon, just a little bit. Now you're going to shake this up, okay? Hold on, let me just close it. Okay, shake up the bag. Good job. Alright, now I'm going to put these in there. I'm going to shake them up.
Okay.
Okay, shake them up. Good job. Alright, and now we're going to put them on a plate. Alright. Good shaker. Okay, so now
Let's
put them on the plate. Okay, so here is our dough nuggets, and they got sugar and cinnamon on them.
Yes. Let's turn the powdered sugar.
Okay, let's put some powdered sugar on it.
Okay.
Good job. All right. That is optional. You can add some powdered sugar.
Let's go to add powdered sugar.
Is it good? Yummy.
Good.
That's good. Thank you. Thumbs up to you too.
Me too.
Good job.
I say this. Thanks for watching. This is 5. Have a good day. Bye, friends.